Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Alien. Earth is really not ready for a killer asteroids. Experts have warned after running a drill of the devastating scenario. NASA has carried out a simulation to test how decision makers would react should the worst could happen, and the results are actually quite concerning. Fortunately, no asteroids are heading in our way anytime soon. The dummy run has revealed some major gaps in planning, which should serve as an important lesson for the future. Thankfully though, there is no real threat from an asteroid at present, nor even in our lifetime, but scientists believe that we need to get ready for one now, before it's too late. NASA recently reached an early milestone in that effort by deliberately smashing a spacecraft into a huge asteroid, forcing it to bounce in a different direction. Quite funny, actually, how they did that. The way they did it was that the group found that we're currently unable to prevent small space rocks hurtling our way, and we can't spot them very well either. So using a nuclear weapon was discussed too, but that would be very risky. Concerns about misinformation spreading among the public was also raised, with fake news and so-called asteroid deniers a potential problem. We want to establish NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office and those that work with us when the authorities come and handle these situations. The plan is that the media and public understand that a group at NASA tracks and manages these types of things. But 20% of people refuse to evacuate because of misinformation, and that is the problem. There would be collapsed buildings, we'd actually lose our hospitals, and a lot of our infrastructure would be gone. There was a chance that this could take out cell phone reception for at least 50 miles and the whole region would lose power. This is an agent from NASA that said that, who also said that we couldn't keep up sometimes, and that's something that many people need to consider. I have mayors, fires, chiefs, and other folks to explain this too, and he said that we might not need to know all the science behind it, but we need to know what, when and where, because we need to start making very big decisions as early as possible. So what do you think? What would happen if a giant asteroid were coming to hit Earth and NASA fired one of those SpaceX rockets in collaboration with Elon Musk? How would you personally handle it? Personally, I don't know, but I would quite imagine the panic and the craze that would happen in society, especially after the whole tension between the nations. But if you want to know more about James Webb Space Telescope latest images, make sure to check one of our videos here, because you will be shocked at the latest discovery this telescope has been unraveling. Otherwise, please subscribe to our channel, because we post stunning new information almost every day about space news to keep you updated. See you in the next one. Cheers.